Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Adyan's World. Happy Children's Day, friends. Today my project is clap command color LED. This is the connection. For this project I have used sound sensor, resistor, jumper wires, LED, nano and breadboard. I have connected A12 to positive, A14 to negative, the basic connection. Sound sensor VCC to positive, GND to negative, output pin to D8 of the nano, and LED are connected to D2, D3, D4 of the nano, and resistor also connected. This is the coding. In extension, I have used LED. Starting the code with an ordinal begin. Setting the pin D8 as input, that is sound sensor out is connected to D8 of the nano, which is the input. The LED are connected to D2, D3, D4 of the nano. For our pin, when the clap is detected, one LED will glow, two LED will off. Wait for 1 second. When another clap is detected, second LED will glow. 1 and 3 LED will remain off. Wait for 1 second. When third clap detected, third LED will glow. First and second will off. Wait for 1 second. When fourth clap detected, all the LED will glow. Wait for 1 second. Let's upload. Upload success. That's all, friends. This is my another project. If you like my video, do subscribe, like, share with your friends. Bye bye. My name is Mohammed Adan from LiQWYD.